Manipur's TG English School has clinched junior boys title of the 63rd Subroto Cup International Football Tournament, defeating Meghalaya's Mikhen Christian Higher Secondary School by 4-3 via a sudden-death tiebreaker after both teams were tied 1-1 in regulation time. The final match was played at B.R. Ambedkar Stadium in New Delhi. It was the third time in history, first in 44 years, that the team from Manipur lifted the coveted trophy. Manipur took the lead in the first half after Namdingong Kame's goal in the 32nd minute, but Banleibok Kongzom of Meghalaya equalized from the penalty spot in the 64th minute, just 6 minutes before the final whistle. In the sudden death tiebreaker, Meghalaya's keeper Wanli Malang dragged his spot kicked wide, giving Manipur the prestigious title. Notably, Manipur played almost 20 minutes of the second half with only 10 men.